Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida, even though it hadn't been sunny in a few days now, but that's all right. So today's video, I'm pretty just gonna give you an overview of where I'm at so far as get the transmission out. So I'll show you guys what I did so far. Of course, I have many videos of me taking the transmission out and doing the clutch, but it's going to be a little bit different this time because I'm not doing it at the auto hobby shop like I usually do on base, because the clutch is going to be down for so long. Not down for so long, I'm gonna have to ship it out. He's gonna have to get some materials, rebuild it, and then send it back to me. And of course, that's Mantic clutch, triple disc clutch. I got his website down below. He's also a sponsor of Maximus, and I've been running that one for 2 years, launching it pretty hard, drag racing it. So with me, to me, I think a clutch is a wearable item that's gonna go out in a manual car, because you're gonna have to dump the clutch, do all different type of stuff, do the burnouts. So that's gonna be a wearable item. So it's something that if you're gonna be drag racing a manual car, that's something you probably have to put in your budget or put in your back pocket of something that you're gonna have to change or even look at every year after every season, because those the clutch disc is gonna wear down, especially with dumping the clutch in lard and hard launches. So I was launching out at 2,500 RPM, but at 2,500 RPM, the car would bog down before it goes back up. So that would kill my time right there. So for this clutch and this car, for me, the sweet spot was launching at 3,500 RPMs. And that's been, see that? So that's what's been working for me and Max. So enough with the talk. Let me show you what I've been working on, what state the car is in right now, and then we'll go from there. So right now I have the seat out because I have fixed race seats, so it's hard to get the center console out. So I got my driver's seat out. What I am gonna do is, I didn't have it on a slider because the slider moved around too much, but I think I'm gonna put it back on the slider, because with the fixed position still, it's a little bit too far back for me, and when I launch, sometimes my foot will, when I slide back, it'll slide off of the gas pedal. So I am gonna put the slider back on so I could bring the seat up. As you can see, these are my my nitrous lines to my front, but I think I am gonna change my nitrous setup. Well, I'm definitely gonna change the nitrous setup in the front. I just want to ask you guys, what do you guys think about leaving the nitrous back here, or should I put the nitrous in the trunk? So I'll show you right now where the nitrous is at. So the nitrous tanks are right there. Easy to get to. I could just put my hand behind and open them up, purge, and go from there, because I don't have the automatic bottle opener. That's a lot of money. But I am gonna get what's it called, a blanket. I am gonna get the blanket. And yeah, do you think I should move my nitrous bottles from in here and put them in the trunk? As of right now, the trunk is pretty empty, but that's how the car looks right now, with the driver's seat out, the center console out, because I had to drop the center console in order to get to the shifter. So I dropped the shifter for the transmission. So as you guys can see, got that out. Right there's the hole. And then as you guys can see, I hadn't been running my nitrous. I had a little bit of problem with the wiring, so I'm gonna pull the whole wiring out, and I want to change the setup in the front. So I got that out. And then the bottles right there. As I said, should I put the bottles in the trunk, or should I just leave them there? Because at least there I could open and close them pretty easily. But yeah, so that's the state. I'll close that down. Got them on these quick jacks. I'm gonna do a review on that on Tool Time Thursday. I'm not sure which Tool Time Thursday, but I am gonna do a review on the Tool Time Thursday of these quick jacks to make it pretty simple. And of course, There's my my race seat. Popo's looking for somebody. But there goes the race seat. So that's as far as I got. I just want to keep you guys in the loop with what's going on so far. So I'm going to go underneath the car, bring you guys underneath the car and show you what I've taken out and everything so far. Also, there's the Barton shifter. Got that out. It's been pretty solid, pretty good over the factory shifter. So now let's go underneath the car. All right, guys, I'm here on the creeper now. I'm gonna slide up underneath the car, show y'all what I have done so far. As you can see, the drive shaft, exhaust is out. Got all this up here, headers is out. So as I'm up here now, all I gotta do is take out the starter. I gotta disconnect the transmission cooler lines, take it out from up there. Look like I had a small exhaust leak right there from the header, so I'm just gonna make sure that's tightened up. That little cone looking thing is on there, so it looked like I had an exhaust leak. But yeah, I just gotta get the starter out, transmission cooler lines out, start unbolting it, and then taking my time to get it out of here, because my plan is to get it out by this week so I could get it sent out. Yeah, so as I'm laying here underneath the car, gotta get all this stuff taken care of, buttoned up. So it's a one-man job. As I said before, I have other videos showing how I took the transmission out. I said this time it's gonna be a little bit harder because I'm here in the garage. But yeah, I'll get it done. I'll get some of my buds to come over and help me. So this is where I'm at. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what's going on with Max and the clutch situation. So I'm gonna end the video here and get to it, changing these, because getting this transmission out ain't no joke, and it ain't gonna do it by itself. And as usual, guys, if you like what I'm doing, you like the videos, want to follow me along the way to see my journey into the low nines in a manual car, hit that subscribe button down below, bell icon, ding, for future uploads. Like definitely, and share the videos. And I appreciate everybody that's been supporting me, supporting the channel, Max, and everything like that. And until the next video, guys, peace.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. You cut throat from the low when no love goes. Women buddy